On today's episode of Will It Even Freaking Fly, we have got a custom Seeker35 build with a 5,000 milliamp hour 6S1P battery. It's extremely heavy. It's over 700 grams. It's a 3.5 inch. I don't expect this to fly well. I just kind of want to see if it will. Battery's not charged up all the way. I usually use this for my goggles, my HD0 goggles. I don't really run it up much past storage voltage just to get the most life out of it, and why it's so huge, it'll run them forever anyway. So this is more like what it would be cruising at after you fly around for a little while, like on the way home, just to see what the hover throttle is, and, well, frankly, if it even gets off the ground without freaking out. The PIDs may not be strong enough to handle this, and it's going to be really top heavy. I didn't adjust the PIDs at all. They just are what they are. So let's see. Oh, she's getting pretty warm. It's also extremely windy today. I guess you can see that. Let me let this die down just a little bit before I take off. Give her the best shot at success. Hopefully not destroy her on one of my kids' toys out here. Fuck it, let's go. We are flying. Hover throttle sounds pretty freaking high. I mean, you can hear that. That is not that bad. She doesn't feel wobbly or weird. I can hear an airliner flying over, but that's fine because I'm 3 feet off the ground. Overall, it works. It's not terrible. I think I could probably fly long range with this, and it's pretty stable even in the strong wind. I guess just because it's so fucking heavy. But let's land it, and I'll call this success.